Number 11 is a inequality equation, so we will need to get x by itself, and I like to do that by putting x on to the left-hand side of the equal sign. So let's do that by subtracting 8x to both sides, and when we find our like term, it's 3x. So we can say that those combine to give us negative 5x plus 9 is less than or equal to negative 11, and my 8x is canceled. So let's get our numbers together now. We can do that by subtracting 9 to both sides, and that's going to leave us with negative 5x is less than or equal to 20. And this next step is very important. So remember, in order to get x by itself, we're going to have to divide by a negative 5 on both sides. So remember, anytime that you divide by a negative, the alligator mouth, the sign, the inequality sign, needs to change directions. So this is going to turn into x is greater than or equal to negative 20 divided by negative 5, which is a positive 4. So notice how my inequality sign went from less than to greater than. So now we need to graph this solution and come down, and we can put a 4 on our number line, and we're going to put a circle. And this one is going to be shaded to the right. And I like to look at this inequality sign like it's an arrow, but you can only do that if the variable comes first. So we know we're going to shade to the right. And because I took the time to draw this line, I'm going to take the time to fill in the circle because it is greater than or equal to.